Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to share a fun little haul that I got from Ebony at the Rosette Guru, and that's why I have this right here. I wanted to show you, this is her store sticker. Isn't it adorable? I love the little picture in the center there, and see, she's the Rosette Guru, and it says, "Thank you for shopping." So everything was packed in this iridescent plastic bag, so that's really cute. And then this is my packing slip, and she's got that same picture there, which is adorable. It says, "Thank you for your business. Thank you, Enis, for your support. Have fun crafting with your new goodies, Ebony." And I absolutely will. Thank you, Ebony, so much. And I did want to start right out with some of these goodies. So I did order 2 packs of her pink conversation heart trim. So this is really, really cute. So it's the pink conversation heart fabric in the background, and then she has a layer of pink sparkly tulle on the top, and it's all gathered up into an 18-inch piece of trim that I can use on any of my crafting projects. So, so cute. So I did pick up 2 packs of that, and the packs come with these little die cuts, conversation hearts, and they are all sparkly. So, so cute. So like I said, I got 2 of those, and those were $2.50 each. Then I picked up this pack of green, I believe these are 20mm striped beads. You get 10 in a pack for $2.50, and I have a couple here I'm going to show you, and you can see the stripes on there. And the holes are plenty big enough for your pokey tools and your pens if you want to use them for that. So those are gorgeous. Then I picked up this package of 4-leaf clovers. And these are also beads. I love the shine to these. Almost mirror-like around the green. And she's calling these the green clover beads, and they were $2.50 for 5. And once again, they do have a hole in the top. I'm going to show you a nice big hole. So perfect for those beatable projects. So that's a pack of 5. And the last item I got was a package of 5 of these cute little flocked bunnies. And they do have eye pins on the top, so you can use these as charms. And I think these would be totally adorable as a focal point on a small dangle, or just as a charm on anything, really. They're so, so cute. So that is a pack of 5, and it was $3.60. So I don't usually do a lot of St. Patrick's Day crafting, but I thought maybe this year I would try to do a little bit more than I usually do. So that's why I picked up these beautiful green beads here, and I think, like I said, they're perfect for your beadable projects and other things. I hope you enjoyed seeing this cute little haul. Don't forget to check her out on Instagram. That's the Rosette Guru. Thanks a lot for stopping by, checking out my haul, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.